Alright, so we're going to be talking today about the Splutch on your Whirlpool Maytag washer and what it does. So to kind of understand what it does, it is responsible for engaging the basket from wash and spin. So right now, this would be the centerpiece turning, and when you shift it this way, this is the centerpiece, I'm sorry. Okay, so you have wash, and then that locks it in where everybody turns. So this would be spin. Okay, the drum is out, so it's actually very difficult to know. So you'd have to kind of know from the position of this. So sometimes when you have a bad shift actuator, which lives right here, it can give you a weird sound. And what's happening is the shift actuator, when it is responsible or when it's doing its job, it gets basically midsection, and when the machine is rotating or trying to, you'll hear it soon. So that sound that you just heard has to do with the shifter not fully going that way or going forward to go into wash or back into spin. So it's not able to complete the job. I'm going to pull this off so you can see a little bit better what the Splutch looks like. Those are your engagement. And that also, so what it does, it pulls it in. So when the actuator doesn't fully do that, then you hear that grinding sound. So it's always good to check it, make sure that it's not damaged. Pretty straightforward to remove it. We're going to be just grabbing it and twisting it to remove it. Now the next clip is going to be a washer, and you'll hear the noise that it's making, and that is a sign that the Splutch is coming in contact with the pulley. The orientation and how it's set up, and you just grab it and it turns. Can I pause? Hear that? Wasn't fully on. That's the problem. Now, I always like to use just a little bit of WD-40 and just get a little bit between the Splutch. They do get a little bit sometimes stiff, so just a little bit does not hurt. It takes a lot of pressure off of the shifter. The shifter has to move that arm back and forth, so it helps. Now by doing that, you can tell that you're not rubbing, and that tells you that your Splutch is working the way it should. The spring is perfectly aligned and all is well. Alright, now let's put the new shifter on. Power's off. Put it on drain and spin. Press. The lid should lock. Here you go.
It's locked.
All right, pause. Pause. and go ahead and put it back into wash. Okay, I can hear it.
Pause it.
I'm gonna change that shift to actuator. Yeah, go ahead and pause. That's agitation. This is spin. Washer was stuck in spin. That's the problem. When it's always here, that's stuck. Meaning this is not rotating, it's not doing what it's supposed to do. Phillips and Phillips, plug it in. Yeah, right now it's in spin, so we're gonna put it into wash.
Plug it in.
Yes, sir, plug it back in. Go ahead and put it in drain and spin. All right, press start. Keep the lid closed. Shifter's moving. It should stay there. If it goes back, it should go back. Okay. Okay, that's drain and spin. That's fine. That's fine. Now go ahead and put it into wash. I'm sorry. You mean to agitate?
Oh, I see the stuff.
And now only the center piece should turn. Now let's see. Agitation mode, just like that.